It's actually purple, a very dark purple, but the shade I'm using for the camera lens for the video gauge makes it look a little lighter. If y'all know anything about cell phones, you'll know about lens colors and shit, man. When you go into your camera settings, you're a bunch of bozos. It's actually a really, really super dark purple, like the Purple Heart that was given to me in Nemesis Radio. The man in Brooklyn, back quiet.
Purple helmet dog.
Stuttering Eddie. Stuttering Eddie. Stuttering Eddie. Stuttering Eddie. Stuttering Eddie. And I'm back quiet. Alibaba, take it easy on Eddie. Audio. Alibaba, take it easy on Eddie, Alibaba, because he's crying like a bitch. Alibaba, take it easy on Crazy Eddie because he's crying like a bitch. He crying worse than Bad Girl. And that's hard to do out here.
What a bunch of fucking fruitcakes, man. Like 2 peas in a pod.
Let me just cool stroke him. Let me just yoke toke him while I give him something to watch. Let me just make them all a little dizzy, man, because, making them dizzy is quite easy. Worldwide, no doubt, is the man in Brooklyn. I got the Midas touch. The dot plucker in Brooklyn is now back quiet. Hey, Alibaba, Stuttering Eddie's in love, man. Stuttering Eddie in love. Yo, he in love with a reflection, dude. Oh, Stuttering Eddie in love with a reflection. A goddamn reflection. Homo bait prevails again. The man in Brooklyn, back quiet.
Stand by 1 second. Just like your little dick-licking boyfriend out there.
Alright, listen. Yo, Alibaba, I'ma stand by, and you could do anything you want to my little bitch Eddie. Alibaba, I'm gonna stand by, and you could do whatever you want to my little bitch Eddie. Or should I say Edwina?
He's a wiener. Little bitch is a wiener. Alibaba's a dick like a pass it on. Elder Fudd, you look like fuck. Poor little Chris. His real name is Chris. They call him Chris. He doesn't like when you call him Chris. Then he gets all mad and twisted and comes out with some shit about, I'm from the Bronx, man. I'm gonna kick your ass. You ain't kicking nobody's ass, man. Fucking 225 called him out. He called him out and he fucking packed me. He bolted. He said, I gotta go home. I gotta go home. And then, when you key up on the bitch, he starts crying like a little girl. Hey, key up on me. They don't let nobody talk.
Eddie, how many times did I attempt to deliver your fantasy and offer you to the corner 46 in one drop?
Sit back and smoke your fucking cracky.
No, man, I'd rather listen to you cry and implicate and make fun of others, but show the world what you're made of. How many times did I tell you 46 in one drop whenever you're ready, man? Okay, alright. So don't act like you're a tough guy out here, Eddie. Don't act like you're a tough guy. And don't purport cooperating frauds like little Jeremy Rusky boy, man. Listen, don't get it twisted, bitch. Like I said, don't be cooperating no perpetrated frauds, Eddie. I understand you're a bitch. You've always been a bitch. That's all you've demonstrated out here. Nothing but ghost talking, crybaby, whining, and washwoman bitch. But don't ever get it twisted, Eddie. Don't try to corroborate the fraud, man.
Up and nowhere to go.
Alright, well, you keep thinking that you're doing something while you're trying to knock me out. The only one that's hearing you is your own little 2 years, and I'm going to tell you something. I'm in the lowest stage I got right now, Eddie. It couldn't go no lower if I tried.
See what you're going to do. Maybe bring your fucking little faggot friend out there. Bring them both, guys.
Stuttering Etti is a tough guy.
Sorry, there's a little man there talking tough shit now, eh?
Hey, Alibaba. Alibaba, take care of Stuttering Eddie, Alibaba. Alibaba, take care of Stuttering Eddie, man. He's feeling like she's, she's feeling like she's WWF tonight, man. She getting ready to go up against Oscar.
WWF? Wow, it's called WWE, you stupid bastard.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm old school. It's always going to be WWF to me. Hey, Stuttering Eddie. Alibaba, take care of the light work, Alibaba. Alibaba, take care of the light work because Homo over there wants to engage with me on a show I never watched. So, hey, Stuttering Eddie. Stuttering Eddie.
It's shock treatment. That's what it is.
Eddie, this is what shock treatment is, Eddie. I key the mic and I put my hand right on the top of the box. Charges my batteries too.
Cracky, I'm the only one that don't have a room that way.
Alibaba, take care of Stuttering Eddie. Take care of the light work, man. Take care of the light work. We leave the other cheerleaders to me, huh?
Oh shit, now they're tag team. Listen to them, tag team partners, man. Check them out. Fucking yin and yang. That's some funny shit right there, dog.
Eddie, you're just mad because I classified you as light work. Ultra light work, I'm clear.
Tag team, Alibaba, I tag team, man. Then I'll tag you in the ass later on. He's a fag. You're a cracked up butt, dog, man. That's all you are, bro. You're a cracked up fucking ass clown on the fucking Johnny team, man. That's all you are. You know fucking CB Tech. All that crappy shit, man. You're nothing but a fucking cracked up dog. Come clean, dog.
Dog.
Hey, you little bitch out there. Fucking sound like he's got a dick jamming down his throat. He's choking, man.
Eddie, that's easy. 46 in Winthrop. You're a cracked by the dog, no problem.
Hey, I'll let you know when I'm ready, dog. I'll bring you camera and expose your dirty fucking ass. Like 225 said, man, you just feel bad for you, bro. You just look like a little fucking midget. With squinty eyeballs, man. He said, I can hit that bitch. I feel bad for him. But then again, you ran like a little girl with these fucking saw the camera. You did the cracky shuffle.
Eddie, no disrespect, but I snapped that little blonde twig like a fucking toothpick, man. And you too. You mean after 5 years you ain't ready? After 5 years, Eddie, it's going on 5 years. After 5 years, you ain't got your nerve or your manhood up? Eddie, let me tell you something. My friend Eddie Anton would be very, very disappointed, dude. Very disappointed.
Worked up now.
Eddie, nobody heard you, dude. Nobody heard you. Not even the guy 2 miles in front of you on the highway heard you just now. You understand what I'm telling you there, Eddie? After 5 years you ain't ready for Freddy? Shame on you, Eddie. Eddie, don't act like a tough guy if you can't take that swing, man. Like I taught those think they bad boys out there. You ain't bad, man. You think you bad? You ain't bad? Come show me bad. Ain't nobody showed me bad yet. And I'm trying to be good about it.
They don't hear you, Richie. They don't hear you at all. They just...
Dog, nothing good about you, man. That's for sure. Nothing good about your cracky ass.
Oh, cracky.
What the fuck is Johnny Iron Man screaming about with his measly 3 pounds out of Kraken Island?
Well, put your line out there. You perpetrate your fraud, man.
But they hear me talking to you.
You know what I want to find out about Johnny Iron Man? It's my understanding that Johnny Iron Man supplied drugs to a local nurse and she overdosed and died. Johnny, who's the nurse you gave the narcotics to that OD, Johnny? Yo, I have to know, did that happen at 63 Ainsworth, dude? Dude, did the nurse die at 63 Ainsworth? Oh, man, now I'm a sick motherfucker. Okay, now I'm going to thank the Lucky Stars for cheerleaders and Crazy Eddie. All right, guys, check it. Light switch on, operator gone. You most talked about most every feared man. Ain't no tough guy here. I got a tough station. I got a tough radio bench. I got a tough persona. But I'm not a tough guy till one of y'all touch me. Then you'll get to see how tough y'all ain't. I'm back in my quiet chair.
Yeah, 5 a.m. sharp, bitch. DGIF, motherfucker. Tomorrow morning, Friday.
You sick bastard. Come on, get me. Come on. You walk the fucking streets. You should be in fucking Bellevue.
Damn, this boy coming all up. I got a fight tonight.
The weather's gonna be nice.
Well, from Stuttering Eddie, Stuttering Etti.
Wednesday.
You know, I was even making fun of his boy there when he says, Etti.
About you. Nobody out here.
Fucking little turd, that's what he is.
5 some guy. Clear radio. Pathetic, man. You got Gary.
You know, man, I just watched that video again. I had to slow the frame and keep clicking the screen to get a look at me. But those arms look fat to you? Good, I'm glad they look fat to you, man.
Shit.
Hey, crazy, don't let Honest Mama get your head crazy headed. Don't let Honest Mama get your head crazy headed.
Carry you out with a fucking crane.
What a great bitch.
Yeah, dick.
Richie, why you let Honest Mama get on crazy headed like that?
Fuck like you walk the street.
Hey, man, I gotta share my bitches, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm the Mac Daddy pimp. I don't want nobody saying I put a girl on 4 corners and kept it all to myself, man. I share the hoe.
Richie. His name is Etti Richie.
Oh, boy, you stinky, Richie. Stinky. Got you there, Cracky.
Not only do I share the hoe, I even pretend not to know and look the other way while I'm getting called Caballon.
With medication, but no, you're out here.
Hey, crazy, don't let Honest Mama get your head crazy headed. Hey, crazy, don't let Honest Mama get your head now.
Not one person.
Hey, Rabbit, man, I never said that mutt. Well, yeah, I'll call him Mutt, man. He's Mutt number 2. I never said he got my head. He never did, never will. That's one thing there, Rabbit. He can say all he wants, do all he wants, show all he wants. He's not getting in my head. I'm not worried about him. Nobody, man, Rabbit. I just like fucking around with dog, man. I like teasing a dog, you know? You ever tease an old Mutt? He gets all cranky, starts barking at you.
Hey, Eddie, from the first video gate, the first time you jumped in my radio and attempted to lock it up with me, I was in your head from that moment on, Eddie. Very special playlist, Eddie. Eddie, who you bullshit out here, you punk fucking bitch? Eddie, tell some lies. Well, actually, that's all y'all do out here anyway, but Eddie, tell some lies. Eddie, you know what, Eddie? Talk dirty to me, punk.
You see, he's getting twisted, Rabbi. I told you, man. I'm gonna get under his skin and fuck with his head and get mad now.
No, Rabbit, hold up, Rabbit. Hold up there, Crazy Eddie. Crazy Eddie, whoa, don't get it twisted, Eddie. You told Rabbit that you were in my head, and I told you that I got into your head from day one, dude. You ain't been the same since I hit the bandwave. And you ain't been the same since I exposed you as the Crazy Eddie, the fucking crack tech from Colombia. So I'll tell you what, dog. I told you, new jacks out here, man. Your team against mine, a real light scrimmage.
I love it. Someone was get triggered by
Maybe I did.
This world is small. Jerry. How many years you think you got left?
Yo, this is no fair, man. I got 225 trying to get in there. I got Crazy Water Shag Frag Me Eddie. I got Alibaba doing Stuttering Eddie. And when not one of y'all key up, we got Johnny Iron Man right at the noise level swearing he's involved in something.
Hey, listen, Richie. I want to take a picture of fucking Stuttering Eddie, man. I'll put it up on your video game.
Alibaba, I tell you what, you get me some pictures of Crazy. Hey, Alibaba, you get me some pictures of Crazy Eddie. I promise you a brand spanking new in the box Uniden 7.8 done up the Richie way.
That's what you're good at, man.
Got the picture of him too.
Alibaba.
Forget 2-5 below. I don't want no pictures there, man. That's a bad angle from the street. He's always hiding in the window anyway, man. I don't want no picture of that fag. But give me something crazy. You want to shag fag me, Eddie? You get a brand new unit of the 7.8 in the box.
2-4, I don't want it, man. I don't want it. I'm going to give you a picture, but I don't want anything because I don't want this homo blowboy thinking that you got a picture of Stuttering Etti, you know? This piece of shit.
Alright, I feel you, Alibaba. Alibaba, I feel you, man. Listen, I ain't mad at you. Just handle it light work. Like I said, Stuttering Etti ain't been the same since that first video, man. That night I was arguing with Bozo in Coney Island, Eddie decides to come in and start chime in with his bullshit. First crazy Eddie video ever, and Eddie ain't been the same since, dude. I can't tell you how many times I punked that little ghost talking, whining, crying bitch. Oh, but let me tell you something. If you think the shit I got on 2-5 or below on Gate or something, where do you see all the shit I got with Eddie, dude? I just don't emphasize on it. You know what I mean? There's a time and place for everything, and Eddie. The power of the video gate, the power of the record, and the power of the chain of events.
Brain. Cut his fucking brain out and put somebody else's brain in there. Because he's such a delusional motherfucker. He really believes this stuff, man.
Well, Johnny's distorted.
Either it's just a load of beats.
You rabbit talking.
Richie, you're a sick motherfucker.
You know, I can't believe a little while ago I had that big-ass bowl of that meat and vegetables and pasta. And for some reason, man, this big split. Yo, guys, I'm going upstairs to make me some French toast. I'll catch y'all guys in a while. I'm going to make myself fatter for the lenses. I'm back in my quiet chair.
Right there, he's gonna light the split. He's gonna light the split because he can't take the pressure, man. Oh my goodness. Go ahead, dog, light one up there. Get nice and high. And get on the mic and start ghost talk like you do all the time.
You remember his name is Richie. Copy, Crazy Eddie? Everybody out here is getting on with their life. They got women, children, jobs, vacations, all kinds of shit. They're living a normal life. Crackies in his dirty, roach fucking cockerunch basement with fucking stinky fucking clothes on. Haven't taken a shower in 2 fucking weeks. With roaches running up and down the walls. CB shop. I know you got surrounded by fucking retarded men, you piece of shit. When was the last time you had a woman, you crackhead bitch?
Stuttering Etti.
Sade's waiting for me. She listens to me on the CB, Sade.
Oh, here goes little Richie. Hey, Stuttering Etti. You little bitch. You little bitch. You little girl. 6 o'clock this morning. Saying 6 o'clock this morning, you little bitch. He's out there looking for a cock to suck on. Stuttering Etti. Little girl.
Chicken shit.
That's all he talks about is licking dick, man. That's his favorite fucking subject. Radio. Has to be about licking dick.
Waving a hand, waving between was that here? Hey, Rabbit, I'm waving a hand right back, man. But I barely hear you. Was out there keying up. But I heard you out there, and I'm waving right back at you there. Waving a hand there. No doubt. Hey, listen, get on.
yeah, Belao.
Yeah, honestly, yeah, it's a little bit.
Yeah, the boss. Where about good night, good night. Baba Alicia. Everybody, good night. Hope Dr. Rabbit say good night. Y'all be safe. Y'all keep it up. Rabbit gone to the hole. Rabbit, 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 rabbit.
Like, he believes that this is real.
Alright, Mr. Rabbit, you have yourself a good night. No doubt.
Right back at you, Red Hood. Right back at you. Do the same, Red Hood. Rabbit gone.
Alright, 10-4, Mr. Rabbit.
You fat fuck. You fat fucking Oompa Loompa, Humpty Dumpty looking bitch. I can't believe that ass fucking fat fuck actually believes this shit is real, man. He actually believes that he's gonna get married to Sade, and he's got 24 million. He's a cop with 4 badges. That he's gonna go sit down with the commissioner of the police department and with his white captain's fucking shirt and whatever the fuck he said. He's a sick fuck, man. He really is. He's beyond that, though. You know, sick people don't even realize that they're sick, but he knows he's fucking sick. So that makes him even more dangerous, man. He's a sick fuck. Come on, Cracky, go get your tin cup and go to Utica Avenue. You need money for weed. Hurry up. You gotta get high, because if you start coming into reality, if you don't get high, man, and you look back at your life, you know how fucked up you'd probably kill yourself right there. If you weren't getting high every day. I know I would. If I was living like you, if I had to be, I would.
Johnny, I got nothing but weed, Johnny. Johnny, I got nothing but weed, Johnny.
Low-life piece of shit, bum. His whole life is dedicated to fucking CB radio, man. It's amazing. You know, I know people that come out here for fun. You know, they have a good time out here and they talk. But this piece of shit is actually...
Check. The ghetto superstars getting up.
Sick and diseased brain. He's got a mental fucking capacity of a fucking 5-year-old.
2340 in the gate.
340 in the gate. 340 in the gate. He's got his fucking YouTube video gates. He's a retard. Uchi, you're a fucking retard.
Pelado, se lo mandaron pelado.
Fucking individual. I hope you're recording all this and you're playing it for everybody.
¿Qué pasa, Lomero Mangú?
They know everything wrong is sick. Everybody out there that listens to your gates, I don't think anybody does anyway.